Dear junior JE students, we are having the topic trigonometry. Trigonometry. In this trigonometry, we have completed 6C until exercise 6C. One day I said the theory and concept regarding the multiple angles, submultiple angles, compound angles, and sub formulae depends upon the compound angles, multiple angles, and submultiple angles. Today depends upon the multiple angles and submultiple angles. We want to discuss some theory that is 3A formula. Of course, it is also multiple angle. In that day we did not discuss which is necessary today in today's topic. Put side it is 3A formula. 3A formula. First one, sine 3A. This sine 3A can be written as sine of 2A plus A. Observing the formula compound angle sine of A plus B, we can write this one as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B concept. So, sine 2A cos A plus cos 2A sine B. Sine 2A cos A plus cos 2A sine B. That is equal to sine 2A formula 2 sine A cos A. 2 sine A cos A into cos A plus cos 2A formula 1 minus 2 sine square A. 1 minus 2 sine square A into here sine A. 1 minus 2 sine square A into sine A. That is equal to 2 sine A cos square A. 2 sine A into cos square A plus multiply the sine A into 1 minus 2 sine square A. So sine 3A formula I am writing in terms of sine. So each and every value in RHS we are writing in terms of sine. So sine 3A formula is not in the form of cos. So whenever cos term is there, we should convert the cos value in terms of sine. Now this is sine A minus sine A into 1, sine A minus this is 2 sine cube A. That is equal to here 2 sine A into instead of cos A, write as 1 minus sine square. 2 sine A into 1 minus sine square A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. So that is equal to multiply with 2 sine A here. It becomes 2 sine A minus 2 sine cube A plus sine A. 2 sine A minus 2 sine cube A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A minus 2 sine cube A. So this is, we can write the formula as therefore, we can write here sine 3A. Therefore the formula of sine 3A. The formula of sine 3A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A is the sine 3A formula. Second one, cos 3A. Cos 3A can be written as cos of 2A plus A. This can be understood as cos of A plus B concept. Cos of A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 2A into cos A, cos 2A into cos A minus sin 2A into sin A. Cos 2A into cos A minus sin 2A into sin A. Cos 2A formula 1 minus 2, no, 2 cos square A minus 1. Because cos 3A formula we should get in the form of cos terms. So every term can be converted as a cos term. 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A minus sin 2A formula you write 2 sin A cos A. into here sin A is there. That is equal to, next step, multiply that 2 cos square A into cos A becomes 2 cos cube A minus, this is cos A, 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus, this can be written as 2 sin square A into cos A. That is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A. 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 into, instead of sin square A, we can write 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A into cos A. So multiply here. This can be written as 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus this one also multiply here 2 cos A into 1 2 cos A minus 2 cos cube A. No, it is minus of minus, it becomes a plus. Therefore, according to cos 3A, cos terms concept, 2 cos cube A plus 2 cos cube A, write as 4 cos cube A. So cos 3A formula 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is correct. Cos 2A formula in terms of cos we got. Next one, put tan 3A. Tan 3A is equal to tan of 2A plus A. Tan 2A is equal to tan of 2A plus A. So tan 2A formula, tan of 2A plus A can be understood as tan of A plus B concept. So this is tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan 2A plus tan A by 1 minus tan 2A into tan A. Write the formula, tan 2A formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Each and everything formula we have discussed. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A whole by 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A plus tan A. 1 minus, this is also 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A into tan A. That is equal to 2 tan A plus, take an LCM here, 1 minus tan square A by 1 you put, take an LCM, this is 2 tan A plus tan A into, within brackets, this is 1 minus tan square A. Tan A into 1 minus tan square A whole by, take it, this is LCM, denominator 1 minus tan square A whole by, again this is denominator 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan A into tan A is 2 tan square A whole by 1 minus tan square A. Denominator 1 minus tan square A get cancelled. So 2 tan A plus tan A into 1 minus tan square A is there. Multiply 2 tan A plus tan A minus tan cube A. 2 tan A plus tan A minus tan cube A whole by 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. Therefore, write the formula tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus, write the formula tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Now fourth formula, cot 3A. Cot 3 also can be written as cot of 2A plus A. Cot 3 also can be written as cot of 2A plus A. Cot of A plus B formula, cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot of A plus B formula, cot B cot A. So cot 2A, cot A into cot 2A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. So cot A into cot 2A minus 1 by cot A plus cot 2A. So cot 2A formula we need to remember. Already we discussed that cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. This is cot A into cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. Because cot B plus cot A cancel. Minus 1 whole cot A. Cot A plus again the formula cot square A minus 1 by this is 2 cot A. Put a bracket here and taking LCM it becomes multiply with cot A, it becomes cot cube A minus cot A minus this is 2 cot A by taking LCM whole by 2 cot A in denominator whole by and this can be understood as 2 cot square A because this is by what you think taking LCM 2 cot square A plus this is cot square A minus 1 cot square A minus 1 whole by 2 cot A 2 cot A and 2 cot A get cancelled that is equal to cot cube A minus cot A minus 2 cot A becomes 3 cot by this is 3 cot square A 3 cot square A minus 1 that's all. This is the formula. So in the similar way tan 3A concept. Now cot 3A also we can write cot 3A is equal to cot cube A minus 3 cot A whole by 3 cot square A minus 1. This is the 3A formula. Sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A and cot 3A. These are 3A formula. Very important to remember sin 3A and cos 3A. Sometimes you can remember tan 3A. Cot 3A is very rare. You can see the cot 3A formula in only objective, but it is not at all important for IPE. For objective, you need to remember the formula of cot 3A. Of course, secant 3A, cosecant 3A, no need. Now, depends upon these three formulae, we can write the submultiple angles. For sin 2A, I said the formula 2 sin A cos A, and depends upon that multiple angle, I said sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Now, in the similar way, submultiple angles for 3A. Submultiple angles of 3A formula. First one sin A. Here what we are doing? Sin 3A by 3. So divide 3. So here also you should write it. 3 sin 3A formula 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Put here this is 3 sin A by 3 minus this is 4 sin cube A. Sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A. In the similar way, sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. The same concept you can write 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. Second one cos A. Cos 3A formula 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So you can write like this 4 cos cube A by 3 minus 3 cos A. Next one tan A. Using tan 3A formula. Tan 3A formula 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So this is 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. Fourth one cot 3A. So here it is cot A. What we have written cot cube A. So cot cube A by 3 minus 3 cot A. It is 3 cot A by 3 by 3 cot square A minus 1. So it is 3 cot square a by 3 minus 1. That's all. There is no minus 1 by 3. Now, very important theorem is there. Originally, this sum, whatever now I want to discuss with you, the sum should be teach in offline class only. But nowadays, maybe it is not possible. That is why I should discuss with you through online only. Listen carefully the question. Sin 18 degrees proof of sin 18 degrees. The trigonometry topic is most lengthy topic and essential topic, which is most necessary to learn for everyone who entered into MPC group in internet. So this is the most IMP concept for trigonometry. Listen carefully this sum. Prove that sin 18 degrees equal to root 5 minus 1. IMP 4 marks. Sum. Prove that sin 18 degrees depends upon the multiple submultiple angles. One day I said the theorem, everything theory I said depends upon multiple angles. I'm going to discuss with you the example. Page number 264, 6.3.10. This is the example 6.3.10, page number 64. 264. Page number 264, example 1. Prove that sin 18 equal to root 5 before. Solution. Let 18 degrees equal to A. Multiply with 5. 5A is equal to 5 into 80. So 5A is equal 5 into 18 means 90. That implies this 5A can be considered as 3A plus 2A. 3A plus 2A is equal to 90 degrees. That implies 2A keep aside, and this is 90 minus 3A. This is the main step. 90 minus 3A. Taking or applying sin on both sides. So sin function taking both sides. That implies sin 2A is equal to sin of 90 degrees minus 3A. That implies, just we have learned the formula sin 2A as 2 sin A cos A into, we know that the L angles formula sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now you write here that this is cos 3A. That implies, write this one as 2 sin A cos A is equal to, just in today's class we have learned 3A formula, that is cos 3A as, write the formula as 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. That implies 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to cos A taken common. Within the bracket, this is 4 cos square A minus 3. Cos A get cancelled. That implies 2 sin A is equal to 4 into the sin cos term should be converted in terms of sin, because we need to calculate the proof of sin 18. So every value will be in the form of sin theta only. So 4 into sin 1 minus sin square A minus 3. That implies 2 sin A is equal to 4 minus 4 sin square A. 4 minus 4 sin square A minus 3. That implies 2 sin A is equal to 4 minus 3 becomes 1. 1 minus 4 sin square a. It is becoming as 1 minus 4 sin square a. That implies, first of all, you write 4 sin square a minus taken this side, it becomes 4 sin square a plus 2 sin a minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation in sin a. In terms of sin a, we got the quadratic equation. So whenever the quadratic equation is in terms of x, of course, meaning x square minus 2x plus 1 like that, we need to calculate the root of that quadratic equation. We should think as this x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. I think you have 9th and 10th class. And if the terms are in y square term, y square minus 9y plus 5 like that, we should write y is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In the similar way, now we write sin a is equal to, now to calculate the roots, sin a is equal to, simply I am writing the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Now, a is equal to 4 here, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1. So, sin a is equal to minus b means here minus 2 plus or minus root of b square means 4 minus 4ac. So, 4 into minus 1 whole by 2a meaning 2 into 4. So that is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 16 whole by 8. So sin a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 16 becomes 20. 20 can be written as root 5 by 2 into 4. 2 taken common, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 whole by 2 into 4. This 2 and this 2 will be getting cancelled. So, therefore, sin a we are getting as minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, comma, and sin a we can get as minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Two values we got from the quadratic equation. But since a belongs to 18 degrees, it is in Q1, because Q1 means less than 90, 0 less than, beta less than 90 becomes it is in first quadrant. So, whenever it is in Q1, you should not consider negative, no need. So, don't take this one. Therefore, sin a is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, what is the value of sin a? Thought sin 18 degrees value. Sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 whole by 4. This is the correct answer. Root 5 minus 1 whole by 4. This is 4 marks IMP question, IMP theorem. And the value of sin 18, you need to remember, you will face this one objective and IP plenty of times. You get the value and the necessary and importance of the value of this sin 18. You will face in any object, even physics also. You should remember this value of sin 18 degrees. Okay, depends upon this one. Let us going to discuss about cos 18 and tan 18 only. Sin 18, cos 18, sin 36 and cos 36. Second one, cos 18. use the formula cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So cos 18 degrees is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. That is equal to square root of 1 minus, yes, now we proved sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Right here. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 overall whole square. That is equal to root of 1 minus. The value of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 whole by this is 16. Take an LCM. This is 16 minus, this is 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 16 minus 6 minus of minus becomes plus 2 root 5 by 16. So that is equal to root of 16 minus 6 becomes 10. 10 plus 2 root 5 whole by 16. 10 plus 2 root 5 whole by 16. That's all. Therefore cos 18 degrees. Root of, there is no proper root for this. That is why simply write like this. Root of 10 plus 2 root 5 whole by 4. Keep it side, put a box here. Cos 18 we got. Now let us discuss sin 36 and cos 36. Sin 36. Let us discuss cos 36 first of all. Cos 36. Let us write this one as cos 2 into 18. Let us remember the formula cos 2 theta is equal to, according to sin formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. All the formulas I discussed one day, students. Already I said that write the notes. Whenever you written notes on the time, you can understand. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now you can write this cos 36 degrees is equal to, cos 36 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degrees. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into the sin 18 value, root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus cos 2 theta formula I am writing. 1 minus 2 into this is a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be dividing into 8 times. That is equal to 1 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 8. Take LCM here. It becomes 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 whole by 8. So that is equal to 8 minus 6 gives 2. So 2 plus 2 root 5a. This one you can write 2 into 4. 2 taken common here. This is root 5. 2 taken common here. Within the brackets 1 plus root 5 whole by 2 into 4. So 2 get cancelled. Therefore cos 36 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 4. Cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 we got. Now let us discuss about sin 36. 457. Sin 36. Sin 36 value. Using sin theta formula, root of 1 minus cos square theta. You write directly this one as root of 1 minus cos square 36. So root of 1 minus, just now we proved, root 5 plus 1 whole by 4 whole square. Same concept, students. Same concept. So root of, directly you can write 16 minus. Here minus and plus will be, becomes opposite. So 5 plus 1 it is 6 minus, directly minus 2 root 5 whole by 16, directly have 10. So root of 10 minus 2 root 5 whole by 16. Therefore cos, it is sin 36. Sin 36 is equal to, like this, right? Root of 10 minus 2 root 5 whole by 4. Here, note one point I want to discuss with you. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta according to allied angles. First quadrant concept. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So, using this one, first formula, like formula I am discussing, are values. Put side heading values. First one, sin 18 degrees is equal to. Whenever sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, so sin 18 you write as sin 90 minus 72. Sin 90 minus 72 gives cos 72. So sin 18 is equal to, right, cos 72. Sin 18 degrees is equal to cos 70 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. It is first formula. Second formula, sin 36. Yes, sir. So cos 36. Better to take cos 36. Cos 36 also better. Here cos, here sin we take. Sin 54. Because 90 minus 36 becomes 54. Cos 36 we got as root 5 plus 1 by 4. These are all are important. Put stop. All are important. Third one, sin 36 is equal to cos 54. That is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. There is no question of plus or minus. Everything is positive only. Everything is in first quadrant. That is directly we can write everything is positive. There is no question of minus square root. It is plus square root. Now you write here sin 70 degrees. So the multiples of 18, 36, 54 like this. Sin 72 is equal to cos 18 degrees is equal to root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This one. This is cos 18 and 70. These values, 4 values are most important for IPT and objective also. Even though you are facing MSET or IP or JEE mains or advanced anything, every student has to remember these all values. And another 22.5 degrees values also there, depends upon submultiple angles. Let us going to discuss the submultiple angles theorems. Of course, concept I said depends upon the submultiple angle formulae. Some values are there for sin and cos. Let us going to discuss about that concept in next class.